Hello YouTube friends, TeresaLouise here, and I'm going to share my sew sampler box with you today. That's right, and it's actually August box, so maybe they are caught up. So I'm going to get it open. Haven't opened it yet, no peeky. I'm excited to get it though. All right, get it open. Cute as a button. Yep, August. Summer. Cute as a button. I think I might know. And we get a little card. Oh, wow. Ooh. Wow, this is a nice box. Better set that card down. Whoops. Oh, wow. I'm not sure what to look at first here. How exciting. Excuse me. And we always get coupons on the back, and this time we're getting 25% off of Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet Notions. Oh, cool. I'll have to go check those out. And we have some Lori Holt awesome fabric called Stitch. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is her new line, right? Awesome. If I can get it open. All right, let's see what it says. It's a Jolly Bar exclusive cut for the Fat Quarter Shop. The Fat Quarter Shop does the Jolly Bars, if you didn't know that. And this one is 5x10 pre-cuts, and there are actually 42. That is awesome, because I think a lot of times we get like half of that in our sew sampler box, so this is really cool. And it is $18.98 for this. So we'll look at it again in a minute. We'll look at all the fabric at the end. What is this? This is really pretty. And I bet it's going to make a lot of noise. It's a little box for your buttons. Yeah, so you can put buttons or whatever. If you don't have buttons or don't want to put, you could use it for whatever you want to. And it is a $13.98 value. It's really cute. It's a little tin box. Oh, look, it's got another little lid inside. It's empty. A lid and a lid. That's cute. So, you know, I suppose you could put some pins or something on there. Of course, when you pry it off, they might fall out. Really cute. Okay, $13.98. A little hard to get back on, but yes, adorable. All right, let's see what else we have in here. And of course, we have buttons to put in there. Cute little buttons by Lori Holt. And got all different kinds of sizes in this, and all different colors. I think I'll open them and put them in my container, right? And this is oh, nope, I told you the wrong price. The buttons are $13.98. This little trinket tin is $5.98. So that's a good price. That's better than $13.98. So there's the buttons. Cute. All right, let's see what else we got. something from the Gypsy Quilter. Let's see what it is. Excuse me. The new Slap and Wrap pills will have you feeling slap happy with this solution for tangling threads and stabilizer rolls. So something you can wrap around your triangle papers and stuff, or any type of thing you need to roll. If I can talk. Oh, there's 3 of them. Pretty stiff. How do you get them to roll, I wonder? Oh, I was doing it the wrong way. Okay. Huh. Those are cool. Pretty neat. You could even wear it, I guess. You wanted to. Okay, these are $17.98, and you get 3 of these, and then you get a pencil. Let's see, heat erasable pen to label them. Okay, that was a pencil, but it's a pen. There we go. Had a little rubber thing on the bottom of it. That's heat erasable pen. Okay. So it must be like a friction pen. Yeah, nice. Wow, we got a lot of stuff in this box this month. Very nice. Okay, let's see. When you buy a Jolly Roll, you always get a free pattern. So I believe that's what this is. Simple Stitch Quilt Pattern. So that's nice. And looks like we got another pattern. So we got 2 patterns in this box. In Stitches Quilt Pattern. That's cute. It comes out to be 59.5 by 68.5. Of course, you will need this Jolly Roll. Oh, scratch that. With 1 Jolly Roll, it will be 40.5 by 46.5. If you use 2 of these, then be 59.5 by 68.5. So with just one roll, and 1 3/4 yard background fabric, and a 1/2 yard for the binding, you will get the 40.5 by 46.5 size quilt. So that's really pretty. Yeah, I like that. And then of course we have so this pattern is probably $10.98. That's what they usually are. Yep. No, $9.98. Boy, I'm like 3 strikes out. And then we have our block number 5, and it's the Bright Side Quilt Along, and it's a heart. That's cute. I haven't even started any of these. I need to. I need to. Okay, so let's take a look at that fabric really quick. Have you guys seen this fabric yet? I don't think I have. Boy, they make this knot really tight. I don't know if I can get it loose. Yep, I did. So So it's going to take me a few minutes to show you all of that. I think I'll just put the camera down and flip them over. How's that sound? Hopefully you can see them well enough. So there's this pretty one. Ooh, that's cute. Not rubbery enough. Ooh, I like that one. It's pretty. And this, I believe is Riley Blake, right? Yep, Riley Blake. There's one. That's cute. Ooh, that's cute. Like that. Boy, there's not too many duplicates in this. I haven't seen any yet. Very nice. Yeah. Really nice. That's cute. And then the ladies. That one's pretty. Hope you can see these well enough without me holding them up in the air. That one's cute. I like that too. Very nice. Super nice to get all 42 pieces instead of 20 or 22. Nice grays. Nice white. Another ladies on white. That's cute. I like that one. It's pretty. All right. Those are all of them. What'd you guys think? Do you get this box? Oops. Sorry. Anyway, what'd you think? Let me know down in the comments. So we got this, 3 of these, if I can hold everything, and a pin, this cute little box with buttons in it, and then 2 patterns. So I think it was a good month, right? And I'm actually happy to get these, because I have a lot of rolls of things that these could be really handy. And see, they don't have to stay small. If your roll is bigger, it'll still hold it. So I'm going to try them out. That's great. All right, well, that's it. Thanks so much for watching my video, and how about a thumbs up? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and until next time, you guys go make something. Bye.